Hi, Jürgen here from Polymash. Let me ask you a question. As a podcaster, what's the best way to grow your email list? Most of us already realize that email list building is a major part of growing a successful podcast, especially if you want an engaged audience. Getting email subscribers for your podcast should not be hard. And there's one single thing that will quickly grow your list: having an irresistible opt-in. That's why we've developed an online workshop and course for doing just that. Over years of launching dozens of successful client podcasts, we've come to realize that developing the right opt-in is far more important than fancy funnel tools and landing pages alone. In this 90-minute workshop, we'll work with you to create your own irresistible opt-in for your podcast. We'll brainstorm your best lead magnet and opt-in ideas, and we'll provide you with a free design and creation platform plus templates you use to create your opt-in, usually within hours. So check out the workshops for the latest dates and special pricing. Group workshops are available only a few times a year, but you can sign up for a one-on-one workshop year-round. And the best part? You also get instant access to our Irresistible Opt-Ins video course as part of any workshop. So take this opportunity, register now, and I'll see you inside.